2019 Mustang GT Smoke Show already has a ton of carbon fiber on it. Today we're going to add a little bit more with a set of ACCELATEC mirror covers. These ACCELATEC mirror covers are sold as a pair and will fit all 2015 through 2020 US spec Mustangs. They're available in two versions. They have the premium version, which has the cutout for the factory turn signal, or a standard version without the turn signals. They're going to install easily with the supplied double stick tape. The first thing we're going to do is clean the mirror. Now your mirrors get a lot of bugs and stuff on them from driving, so you want to get some rubbing alcohol. Just make sure the area where the double stick tape is going to go is nice and clean. The first thing we're going to do is just kind of test fit it here. An idea exactly where it's going to go. And then you can determine where you want to put the double stick tape. The covers include this rolled double stick tape. I recommend getting a piece at the top here, then a piece down here, and another one on the bottom. I'm ready to put it in the car. Before you do so though, peel back the corners just like this. So once you have it seated on the car, you can pull the tape off. Makes for an easier installation. Repeat the process on the other side, and your installation is finished. Our ACCELATEC carbon fiber mirror covers are made of real carbon fiber with a high gloss finish and match the rest of the carbon fiber on our car perfectly. The installation couldn't be simple. It'll take you about 20 minutes. Be back on the road in no time.